everyone, welcome back to our channel Freshers Camp, and today in this video here I am with the latest announcement of the Infosys BPM of Campus Drive 2025, where they're hiring freshers as technology specialists. So if you're the one who is looking for such kind of job and are fond of looking for more fresher jobs, IT jobs, diploma jobs, then you're at the right place, as Freshers Camp provides you with their daily updates, notification announcements from all the multinational companies on a regular basis. So hold on and watch this video till the end if you want to grab more details regarding this fresher job update, as well as the step-by-step guide. Also, you'll be getting it. And do not forget to like, share and subscribe our channel, and also hit the bell icon for more such future updates. So if you are the one who has a degree in BE, BTech or any such related degree and have any graduated degree from the batches of 2023 to 2024, then you can apply for it. The job location will be Bangalore, India. Candidates need to apply for it as soon as possible and can expect one of the best salary in industry. Candidates should have a hands-on experience in implementing and supporting SAP SD models, strong understanding of SAP SD modules as well as including the sales, order management, pricing, billing, delivery as well as customer master data, proficient in configuring and customizing SAP SD functionalities, which will include sales documenting types as well as pricing procedures, as well as output determination and the customer master data. Also should have good customized SD module experience with other modules such as the SMFT, MI and many more. Should also have experience regarding the pricing procedures and output determination. So these were some of the additional information regarding this fresher job update. Now if you're interested to apply, you can apply for it in a very simple way, that is from the link which have been given in our description box, which will follow up to the official website, where you will see that all the job related information has been mentioned, such as the job location, the job requirements, responsibilities and the additional information. Now you'll scroll back down and you'll notice the login or the register option will be there, and you have to click on the basis of your status. If you already have an account, then you have to log in, or if you want to register as a new user, then you have to fill in all the details which they have been asking for, and after that process, your application for this process will. So I hope this video was useful to you. Thank you for watching this video till the end. Keep watching our videos on a daily basis, and also do not forget to like, share and subscribe our channel, and also hit the bell icon for more such future updates. Freshers Camp will be back again, and keep supporting us because your support means us a lot, and keep watching us on the daily basis as we will be bringing up the latest job notifications for your benefit. Till then, take care. See you.